The Filipino antonyms Bago, which means new in English, and then Luma, which means old. Bago, Luma. Bago, Luma. Kailangan ko ng bagong ideya para sa aralin. It means I need a new idea for the lesson. Kailangan means need. Ko is I, bago is new, ideya is idea, para is for, and then aralin is lesson. Kailangan ko ng bagong ideya para sa aralin. Itapon na ang lumang upuan. Throw away the old chair now. Itapon means throw, and then na is already, and then luma is old, and then upuan is chair. Itapon na ang lumang upuan. Maligayang bagong taon, it means Happy New Year. Maligaya means happy, and then bago is new, and then taon is year. Maligayang bagong taon. Ang mga kasuotan nila ay luma na. It means their clothes are already old. Kasuotan are clothes, and then mga is the plural marker. Cloth, kasuotan is clothing. And then mga is the plural marker, so mga kasuotan, clothing nila, it means their. And then luma is old, na is already. Ang mga kasuotan nila ay luma na. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms, bago, which means new in English, and then luma, which is old. Bago, luma. Bago, luma.